Hi everyone. I wanted to clarify some information on one of the assignments for this week's activities. So if you want to go ahead and go to the syllabus and then scroll down, the assignment that I wanted to provide more information on is this week 3 ADI discussion 3.1. So let's go ahead and click on that. Okay, as you see in the discussion, there's two posts that you need to be made. Your initial post, and then follow up by responding to two separate students' arguments. So for the initial post, you need to take a screenshot or upload this portion of your stage 3 draft argument. And that's what we worked on in class on Thursday. So I brought up the document, and just to give you a heads up for where that's located, scroll down here, past stage 2, stage 3 where you analyze your data, and then right below it is the guiding question and the claim that you've written and the evidence that you provided. So that's where you find that information. And then the second portion that's due at stage 4, where you need to review two student arguments. You can see right down here it says share your argument with your classmates. Be sure to ask them how to make your argument better. Keep track of their suggestions in the space below. You just need to go ahead and record that, and if you want to do it in the document form, you scroll down and it's just right below. And right below that is the potential questions to ask each other. So that's what's due on that. And then class on Thursday, we'll go over stage 5, 6, 7, and then finally 8. This portion of the assignment you won't need to fill out on your group's document. We're just going to discuss it in class. We'll have you fill 5, 6, 7, and 8 out on our next investigation. So please contact me with any questions. Thank you.